see, I've come along in leaps and bounds. I finished half of the wiring. I've still got a lot of wiring to do. I've got the switch to do, and I've also got all the running lights to do. So that's the green lights in there, the red lights, the flashing lights, and yeah, and therefore the flashing light will go there, red light will go there, green light will go there, and then you got all the white lights going down here, and it'll be the same on the belly as well. But before I did that, I thought I'd show you what I've done, because I have done a fair bit. So as you can see here, these are red lights here, and these are all now wired up. These are blue lights in here. The two photon torpedoes are red, and those are blue. That's a white light for the cockpit, and this is an orange light for the sensors, and also for the probe launchers. Yeah, and obviously this is all the electrics coming out of the bottom. Which, talking of which, when this is wired up on the stand, all this, because this is a part of the stand, all this will go through here, like so. Get it in there. There we go. And then the model will stand on it like that. So you get the idea how pretty much this is going to look, like that. You know, the model will be like that. Obviously this base bit will go further in. I'm not going to push it in at the moment because the base hasn't been created yet. I need to do that. But you can see all the detail on here as well. So that's pretty much what the base will look like, and obviously all the wires will run through this little plastic hollow tube here, so which I'm actually really happy about, you know. And as you can see, it's nice and thick, nice and hollow, and I've painted it as well. And the other wires for this one will also run through there, but I haven't wired them yet. There's no point yet, because I've still got some other stuff to do on this, which I will talk about. So as you can see here, so what I've done here is I basically put the lights into groups of 4 and 2, and there's flickering lights in there as well, and I've super glued them in place, and I'm really pleased with the effect I've got. I have tested this 3 times and it looks absolutely fantastic. Those are the rear photon torpedoes for the rear of the ship, and I've tested those as well. I made some light boxes. Here, here and here, and I will be doing how I do it with that as well. And you can see all the wiring, and you can see how long it's taken me to do that. It's taken me about 3 days to do all this, you know. And that's just a clear light for the cockpit, so the cockpit will be illuminated. And yeah, the whole point of the light box is just to keep the light in there. Where there's red light here, there's blue light here, and white light down there. I wanted to keep the light in here pure. It doesn't matter if this red light spills out in here, because there's all red light over there. But I wanted to keep this light as pure as possible. It wasn't possible to put a lid on this or that, because the clearance between this and the top of the ship, top part of the ship, which is there, was absolutely marginal. You couldn't really. It created problems when I made a full light box. It created a lot of problems. There was a lot of sticking up and all sorts. So I just thought I'll just get rid of that. And while we're here, yeah, I also put some Tamiya smoke in here for the cockpit, which gives it a really nice effect. Yeah, I'll just bring it up. Really nice. I was really pleased with that effect. You know, as you can see there, the lights have been smoked out, which I was really happy about. So I'll just show you all the lights now. It's taken me a while to actually paint all these. It's taken me a while to paint all this, and also to wire the lights, and it's taken a couple of days, and as you can see what I'm left with. I'll probably have to wire this into a main socket. I don't think a 9-volt battery is going to last long with all the wire that's on, with all the lights that's on here. So we'll just wire this up. Got it. There we go. And as you can see, so going from the front, that is the sensors and probe launcher, and the white light there is for the cockpit. You've then got the two photon torpedoes in red, and next to them is the first chamber of the warp core. And then as we go around, you got the second chamber and third chamber, which is obviously here and there. That's the second chamber, that's the third chamber of the warp core. And then you've got the impulse engines all around the back of the ship in red. You know, and the effect is really, really, you know, I really like the effect. So what I'm going to do now is just take this off. I'm going to put the ship together. I'll show you what it looks like with the overhead light on, and what it looks like with the overhead light off. Okay. There we go. As you can see, so there's the front, and I can see the interior. There's the photon torpedoes, warp chamber 1, 2, and 3 on the wing. And you can see, look, the lights have gone out. This is the problem with they've got them back. There we go. And of course, there's the impulse engines all lit up in red, and it's all the same on the other side as well. So I'll turn off the overhead light and you can get the full effect. There we go. Just give the camera a while to get used to it. And you can see the sensors there, and the probe launcher, and there's the cockpit, and there's the one photon torpedo, warp chamber 1, warp chamber 2, photon torpedo there with the warp chamber, second warp chamber, third warp chamber, and then all the impulse engines there. You know, all nicely lit up. Probably be better on that side. So really happy with how this has turned out, and of course the rear photon torpedoes have come out as well. So really happy with the look of this, and how it looks. Needs a bit of light blocking, but that's fine. I need to put all the other lights on it, and we'll see how that looks. So with all the other lights, just put the overhead light back on a minute. So we'll have flashing light here, the same on the rear. We'll have running light there, and there, also there, and there, and the same on the rear. And then on the back here, oops, not a camera. And then on the back here, there'll be a red light and a green light, and the same on the underside. And then that'll basically be it for the ship. And then we'll be doing the base. So until then. And of course, if you find these videos interesting, please like and subscribe. It helps me an awful lot, and obviously you guys get an awful lot out of this, and it's very much appreciated. So please like and subscribe and comment. If there's anything you want to know, anything you want me to show, just ask and comment, and I'm more than happy to do it, guys, you know, because you're helping me build this, and I appreciate all the help and support you give me. So keep those likes, subscriptions and comments coming. Until then, you all take care. Have a nice weekend, and bye for now.